Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. मेरा नाम है तनीषा. In case you're watching for the very first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe if you like this video obviously. And not only this, I have a lot of fashion hauls, a lot of beauty hauls, a lot of vlogs and a lot of stuff on this channel, so you can binge on anything you like. You can check me out on my Instagram account at rathortanisha_. I don't know what it is with me, but मैंने हमेशा से ना ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स अमेजोन से ही मंगवाए हैं, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा सेल रहती है ऑल द टाइम. एनीवेज लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. एंड आज का एक इतना इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट है. आई गॉट दिस सेट ऑफ ब्रशेज फ्रॉम Trillium and this is how their packaging is, and this is the brush that I got here, and there's another brush over here at the back जो कि बड़ा वाला ब्रश है. This is how it is, like a pen thingy, okay, एकदम पेन की तरह है. But inside this you have 4 different brushes. One is for the lip, the eyebrows, the eyeshadow, and different sort of application brushes that you have over here. It's super easy to use all of them, and I loved the material. I loved the finishing of all of them. The bristles are very soft and the finishing that it gives when I'm applying makeup is super amazing. मतलब ये इतना ही ज़्यादा handy product है. This is literally like a lip liner जितना ये product है. I can easily take it anywhere I want to take it, and specifically मैं इतने shoots के लिए जाती हूँ, events के लिए जाती हूँ, तो मुझे हमेशा ना touch-up चलता रहता है. तो I really need products like this जिसको मैं travel friendly way में carry कर सकती हूँ. And the next brush that I got from them is going to be this one. As you can see only single brush right over here, which is like this kind of a slanted sort of a brush. This is actually the contour brush that I use, and इसके bristle quality is super amazing. Like the deposition of the product on the skin with this brush is super amazing. A lot of the brushes के साथ क्या होता है ना कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा product लेता तो है, लेकिन वो ना skin में नहीं जाता है, वो बहुत सारा product इसमें रह जाता है. But and inside this we have 3 other brushes as well again. So इसके अंदर में आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा ये eyeshadow वाला brush, ये blending brush, and then इसके अंदर भी है एक, this is also like a lip brush that they have, and इतना uniquely इसको use किया गया है. And next product that I want to show you guys, since it is summer, so you definitely have to add some pop of color, you know, into your makeup routine and all of that. So for that reason I have got this eye pop style liner. Like this is basically like a colored eyeliner that I got from Swiss Beauty. इसका brown mud color भी है, but I'm not gonna show you that because it's almost very similar to black, तो brown वाली shade मत लेना. This is in the shade Sunrise, and this is almost like a yellow ochre sort of color. I absolutely loved the color. The color pigmentation is very nice. I'm not entirely very happy with the bristle of the brush. I've actually made a short video about this one as well, but I'm not very happy with the brush. इसका जो brush है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा flexible नहीं है, flexibility नहीं है उसके brush में. So बस that is the only reason, but otherwise it is super amazing. Yellow color है इसलिए इतना उठ के ये eyes में दिख के नहीं आ रहा है, but trust me, they have color of like a blue, they have dark blue, they also have a pink color, like a hot pink color, and it is super cheap यार. सिर्फ 130-140 रुपीज़ का ये कुछ तो आता है. प्रॉपर इसका जो प्राइसिंग है वो स्क्रीन में डाल दूंगी. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव इज गोइंग टू बी दिस इन द स्किन केयर कैटेगरी. एक्चुअली दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. I am sure you guys must have heard about this. A lot of people talk about this, and I have also used this before as well. But I just wanted to restock it. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया कि मैंने ये अप्लाई नहीं किया था. Now that it is summers, I'm like I have to go back to my OG product. And इसका एक बहुत ही सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट जो है, पहले तो मैं इसका टेक्सचर आपको दिखा देती हूँ. So when you open it up, it is literally like gel, watery gel. अगर आप oily skin type हो ना तो आपको तो मतलब you're just going to, it's like a holy grail for you for oily skin type and acne prone skin type and all of that. मतलब मज़ा है, तुम्हें तो प्यार हो जाएगा इससे, तुमको छोड़ने का मन नहीं करेगा. ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. आई नो दिस Neutrogena प्रोडक्ट कैन बी स्लाइटली ऑन द एक्सपेंसिव साइड. ऑफलाइन अगर आप लेने जाएंगे ना तो उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सस्ता आपको अमेजोन पे ही मिलने वाला है. एंड इफ़ यू गाइज आर नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस प्राइस, then there's another product that I can recommend you. ये Mamaearth का Aqua Glow Face Gel Cream, something like that. It is very similar. Like packaging भी ले लो, अंदर का texture वगैरह भी ले लो, वो भी मैंने बहुत यूज़ किया है last summer, and it's going to keep you moisturized, but at the same time एकदम पानी जैसा से गायब हो जाता है ना, बिल्कुल ये वैसा है. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to show you, this might be my favorite out of everything that I'm going to show you guys, from the Body Shop, and this is their body yogurt, and this is in the वेरिएंट ब्रिटिश रोज एंड लिटरली ऐसा योगर्ट जैसा ही है, अगेन वेरी लाइट वेट and very summery and it smells divine roses, like it is such a beautiful rose ka scent. It's not like very rosy कि तुमको एकदम ऐसे irritate हो जाएगा, but this is actually a body product, like a body yogurt product, like a body lotion that we use. Damn body mein when you applied it after a few hours, you can really like get this faint scent of like rose in your body, like, and obviously it is summers तो SPF की तो एक बात करनी है. So this time we are going to try out, this one is from Dermafique Cell by Cell normal to oily skin type का Soleil Defense sunscreen. This is how the packaging of this one looks like, very classy packaging by the way, but trust me it is super lightweight, मतलब एकदम it's not very watery texture but it is actually very comfortable. में ना एकदम लाइट वेट है एंड हल्का सा एक मैट लुक भी देगा आपको when you apply it, एकदम हल्का सा मैट लुक आता है. It has SPF 50, it has PA++ rating. मेकअप के लिए you need like a flawless nice base and for that we need a primer and मैंने बहुत बार ये प्राइमर के बारे में शॉर्ट्स में वीडियोस में मैंने डाला है. This is the one from Dermaco actually, which is a very nice blurry effect वाला primer. It blurs out the pores definitely, हल्का सा सिलिकॉनी टाइप का आपको लगेगा and it works really well and also it has 2% niacinamide which is super amazing because मैंने देखा है कि Dermaco ने ऐसे बहुत से प्रोडक्ट्स निकाले हैं जिनमें उन्होंने स्किन केयर को मेकअप के साथ मिक्स करने की कोशिश की है, जो कि काफ़ी अच्छी बात है. How the Maybelline primer, Maybelline Fit Me का जो प्राइमर है, it's very close to that. And I have this Aqualogica का lip balm. I think so I've already talked about this one but I've again ordered this one because like, I apply lip balm like I think so 3-4 times a day and it lasted me for like 3 months I can tell you, and this is how it looks like. It's like a really nice baby pink sort of a tint and it smells like divine, like it's the watermelon flavor है इसका, like you just gonna love it. And this is super inexpensive, I think so 150-160 का कुछ तो आता है and tint बहुत हल्का सा एक tint भी मिल जाता है और moisturize भी बहुत मस्त करता है. अगर tinted नहीं पसंद है तो you can go for other variants also, तो उनका ऐसा clear color का भी fragrance variant मिल जाएगा तो you can go for that as well. Last but not the least, I have got this lip cheek and eye tint from Mamaearth which has this vitamin E and I am so much in love with this shade. More like pinkish red, tomato red and pinkish red sort of color, like जैसा इसमें दिख रहा है उससे हल्का सा different ही आता है cheeks पे, but I love this color. I love that it is very like a very creamy texture and very easily spreadable, you know, ऐसा नहीं कि बार बार रगड़ना पड़ेगा, ये बहुत easily spreadable है. and the very best part कि ये मिरर के साथ आता है and ये इतना ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली, एकदम छोटू सा ऐसे पैकेट है, देख लो को लेकर यू कैन इजीली टच अप योर चीक्स ऑल्सो, लिप्स ऑल्सो, आईज ऑल्सो, तो बहुत अच्छा से इसका एक टचअप आ जाता है. एंड आई थिंक सो दैट इज प्रीटी मच इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. दैट्स ऑल व्हाट आई हैव गॉट रिसेंटली फ्रॉम Amazon for my summer, you know, like stock up and everything. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tada, bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to watch some other videos.